Hey guys, we got this X-ray video conference lightning dual-sided stepless dial thing for test and try. So this is a 3000 milliampere rechargeable portable clip-on design for phone, laptop, or the light for the Zoom meeting. So let me just open the box and take out all the things that comes with it. So this is the main light. So there is a backlight and a front light, as you can see, and also have these different attachments. So you can attach it to your phone, like on the front side or from the back side as well. So this one you can just as a clip on. So this you can use as a clip on so that you can just put it on a tablet or a PC or your mobile, and then also just stick this on with this other attachments. So the other attachments say this is for the camera if you want to put it on a camera or a tripod, or these are the other attachments as well. So if you take this out, you can also use the other clip that is provided. So let me just start these lights. So you can see there's a bright light, and you can control the light as well. So the front back light switch, and also like this have the the different warmth like the white or the yellow light thing, and then also you can do some stepless or the brightness and the color adjustment. So cool light, natural light, warm light, whatever you want to use it for. It can goes from 2500K to the 9900K, 10% to 100% thing. I also have this backlight thing that you can use. So like the back camera as well. And so basically this is a very nice design with the front and the back light attachments for your mobile, tablet, PC, or the your camera or any other thing. So this also have a 360-degree rotation back clip that I will show you, and then the one touch release phone holder. So say if you want to use it on the front camera, you can just put it on your mobile, and the camera space is there, and you can do the meetings and whatever like you want to do with it with the adjustment of the lights. Then also you can just take this out and take out these attachments, and there is a clip that you can use. So there is a clip that you can use on the mobile or anywhere you want to use it for. So it's a very nice clip with all the accessories and attachment.